friends, sorry I'm going to record this video quite dark here because this car just within an hour the dealer gonna take this car back. So I have just finished installing a cruise control in this car. It's a Toyota Fielder 2017 Toyota Fielder Axio. They are same thing. It's quite a base model. As you can see, even don't have steering wheel control buttons on it. So we have just finished installing a cruise control system in this car. So you will find a lot of video. These handles quite cheap to find around. I'll put a link below as well if you have this car in Australia. So I'm planning to make whole kit, and yeah, we'll create a link soon for it. So should be easy to make installation easy by yourself. So yeah, you'll see a lot of videos how to install this switch here. So it's easy. You just have to take this airbag out. You can find details videos on this. So few holes around here, and there is just 2 screws on. You have to tap on there to hold this in place. Now the tricky thing is here, and a lot of people been asking questions and have did a lot of search on internet. So in this Axio actually there is quite a few A5 and A7 CPUs, and you'll get confused about wiring. So I'll show you, like, once you install this one, there is a black connector in here, and in that black connector, the bottom one, first 2 pins, so you have to insert 2 cables in there. So the first pin would be for cruise control, and second pin would be your ground here. So you have to first connect your ground to anywhere in body, which we have connected in here, and as the first pin from this side here, it will go straight to your ECU. So this wire here is taking that to ECU there. This is our ECU A5, A7, they are same if you have. So this one is cruise control wire here, the first pin, second connector, first pin, that's the cruise control switch wire here. Now this second wire is a bit tricky. This second wire will come out from your brake switch here. So if you'll see on top here, it could be different in some of models, but you're gonna find a wire. So in my case I have connected it to, I'll show you, which turns on the ignition. It shows 12 volt when the ignition is on, and there is a other wire which has consistently 12 volts. So you want to make sure it doesn't have consistent 12 volts. So when your ignition goes off, the 12 volt should go off as well. So I think that just helps to reset the cruise. And yeah, it works normal. Only other thing, you're not gonna see any cruise control light here on your dash, no indicator for cruise control, and that's it. If you have done right, it should activate your cruise control. I have just took it before to a test drive and it's been working fine. Now I'm just gonna wrap it up. But if you have any question about this, you just comment below. I would love to help, and please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.